Are we truly alone in this vast universe, or are we being watched? With billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, the chances of life existing elsewhere are higher than ever before. Recently, NASA's James Webb Telescope discovered signs of life-supporting gases on a planet called K2-18b, 120 light-years away. Even Nikola Tesla believed he received mysterious signals from outer space. Was he talking to them?
If they are out there, are they friendly explorers or powerful civilizations beyond our imagination? The search for the truth has only just begun. What do you believe? What if they are far more advanced than us? Some scientists believe they could be building massive structures around stars to harness infinite energy. Do you think we are alone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, hit the like button and subscribe to Modern and Minimalist for more futuristic space mysteries. See you in the next video.